Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust IPD, which is your pupil distance, on Vive Focus Vision. To adjust it, go to Settings, then make sure you are in General tab and go to IPD. You can enable or disable automatic IPD adjustment, so when it's enabled, your IPD will be automatically adjusted if needed after putting on the headset. If your IPD is not correct, you can either automatically or manually adjust IPD. First, I'm gonna auto adjust, click on start, then keep looking at the dot, and after a moment your IPD is adjusted. If it's still not right, click on adjust next to manual IPD adjustment, and now you can click on minus or plus until these vertical lines are in focus. Then click on X. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.